Hey everybody, welcome to another bread making video. Today we're going to be making buttermilk rye whole wheat bread, which you can find on page 160 of the book that I'm going through. If you're interested in the book, there is a link in the description. I hope you enjoy this recipe, so let's get to it. Hey again, just a reminder, if you like these videos, please subscribe, click the bell icon so that you know when I post more of them, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments.